Is your bug-out vehicle ready for any situation? This question is more critical than you might think. Your bug-out vehicle is your lifeline in an emergency, your ticket to safety when disaster strikes. It's not just about having a vehicle, it's about having one that's prepared for anything. From regular maintenance to the survival kit, there's quite a bit to consider. So buckle up, y'all, as we're about to delve into the top tips to ensure your bug-out vehicle is ready for anything. First things first, regular maintenance is key. It's essential to keep your bug-out vehicle in tip-top shape. Regularly check your vehicle's engine, tires, brakes, and other vital parts. Regular maintenance checks ensure your vehicle runs smoothly when you need it most. Don't let a faulty engine or flat tire be the reason for your downfall in a critical situation. Regular maintenance is not just about keeping your vehicle running, it's about survival. Remember, a poorly maintained vehicle can be more of a liability than an asset. Tip number 2, always keep fuel ready. It's essential to have extra fuel stored, ready to power your vehicle when needed. Imagine being stranded in the middle of nowhere with miles to go and an empty tank. Not an ideal situation, right? That's why having additional fuel is a must. But remember, just storing isn't enough. Regularly cycle through your stored fuel to keep it fresh and effective. It's like keeping your survival chances topped up. You never know when you might need that extra gallon. Our third tip, keep spare parts handy. Now, why is that important, darling? Well, imagine you're on a long stretch of road and a tire blows or a belt snaps. You're stuck, right? Not if you've got the right spare parts. Having essential items like tires, belts, and filters ready to go can turn a potential disaster into a minor inconvenience. And in a survival situation, that's as good as gold. Remember, a spare part can make the difference between getting stuck and getting away. Tip 4, don't forget your navigation tools. Now, while we're all fond of our high-tech GPS systems, remember they're not infallible. Batteries die, signals can get lost, and technology can fail. That's why having analog navigation tools, like maps and compasses, can be a lifesaver. Get familiar with how to use them, because they don't require a power source or signal. You can count on them when you're off the beaten track. Navigation tools can guide you when all else fails. For our fifth tip, communication devices are essential. In the wilderness or on the open road, you never know when you might need to reach out for help. A trusty radio or satellite phone can be your lifeline when things go south. It's not only about emergencies, though. Staying in touch with the world can give you valuable information about weather conditions, road closures, or even nearby resources. Remember, information is power, and in a survival scenario, it's as vital as water or food. Staying connected can be a lifesaver. Tip number 6, a survival kit is a must. A well-stocked survival kit is a lifeline in crisis situations. It should include food that doesn't spoil easy, like canned goods, and water, plenty of it. Don't forget first aid supplies to deal with injuries on the fly. Other essentials are a flashlight, a radio, and a blanket. You can customize it further to suit your needs. Remember, the goal is to keep you alive and kicking until help arrives. Being prepared means having everything you need to survive. Our 7th tip, equip your vehicle with the necessary tools. Now, why is this important? You see, even the most well-maintained vehicle may need unexpected repairs. Having the appropriate tools on hand can save you precious time and potential frustration. Consider packing items such as a tire repair kit, jumper cables, and even a basic mechanic tool set. These can be real lifesavers when you find yourself in a pinch. Remember, being prepared is half the battle. The right tools can make all the difference. For tip 8, don't forget about comfort items. Now, comfort might not be the first thing on your mind when prepping for survival, but it's more important than you'd think. A cozy blanket, a soft pillow, and your favorite non-perishable snacks can make a world of difference during a tough journey. These small comforts can offer a sense of normalcy and calm in the midst of chaos. Remember, survival isn't just about getting through. It's about keeping your spirit intact. Comfort can help keep morale high in tough situations. So, there you have it, folks. We've traversed the landscape of survival with our trusty bug-out vehicles, armed with knowledge and determination. From regular maintenance to having spare parts on hand, the journey began with the essentials. Fuel readiness became our next stop, reminding us that a well-oiled machine is a dependable one. We then navigated through the importance of having the right tools, both for navigation and communication. The ability to find our way and stay connected is truly invaluable. Our survival kit was packed with all the necessary equipment, ensuring we're prepared for any situation. Vehicle tools, too, hold their weight in gold when the going gets tough. And let's not forget those comfort items. They're the small reminders of home, providing a sense of normalcy in uncertain times. Each tip is a stepping stone towards preparedness, a cornerstone in the foundation of survival. Remember, the key to survival is preparation. Stay safe out there and keep your bug-out vehicle ready for anything.